Hey, what's up guys? This is Tate with Key to Life. Just wanted to talk about the Revitalize. This is our 89% non-GMO soy plant protein hydrolysate amino acid powder. It is micronized down to less than 1 micron. It's 100% water soluble. This product is 100% organic and extremely high in concentration. All of the amino acids in here have a special technology built in called enzymatic ionic surfactant technology. This allows all of the particle to solubilize into your reservoir and all of the ions, being positive and negative, to line up in a homogeneous fashion inside of your reservoir mix. This product is also great for using in vegetative growth and also blooming. A lot of our clients are using Revitalize during late blooming to encourage better terpenes, flavor, and preservation of your crops post-harvest. Pro tip, pro tip, pro tip. My personal pro tip with a Revitalize is to make sure that you pre-mix this product using basically a protein shaker. This product, as well as Molasses Magic, really do not like to break the surface of water. So if you can pre-agitate it and pre-mix it with a protein shaker, then that allows it to suspend very evenly with no effort into your main reservoir mix. So if you guys want really awesome flavors and to have a much longer lasting product post-crop, visit BWGS.com, check out Revitalize.